Starting off, I'm gonna say straight on your face. मुझे ये वाली lip balm बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. Lot of product in there, believe me, I just love it. It makes my lips worse. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about my best and worst lip balms. मैंने पहले भी एक वीडियो की थी और वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा आप लोगों को पसंद आई है, तो मैं दूसरी बार वो वीडियो लेकर आई हूँ और इस वीडियो में मैं आपको वो सारे लिप बाम्स दिखाने वाली हूँ जो मैं करंटली यूज़ कर रही हूँ. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you liked it. तो मैं सबसे पहले इस वाली लिप बाम के बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ. And this is the lip balm from Biotique and it's their Bio Fruit Whitening Lip Balm. और मैं whitening claim के बारे में कोई भी बातचीत नहीं करने वाली हूँ क्योंकि वो मेरे लिए important नहीं था और मैंने कभी भी वो चीज़ देखने की कोशिश नहीं करी. But the one thing that I really love about this lip balm is the tint. And it's such a beautiful thing. बॉटल में ही आपको रेड दिखेगा पर जब आप इसे अपने लिप्स पे लगाते हैं और अच्छे से स्प्रेड करते हैं, firstly it spreads really smoothly. Like you will see that it's very smooth in the lips और ऐसा नहीं है कि लगाने में बहुत हार्ड है या फिर ऐसा कुछ. और उसके बाद your lips look so natural and rosy. I absolutely love the tint. And also the amount of product is good. And also you need very little product when you apply it on the lips. You will see it yourself. पर इसका एक disadvantage भी है कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम आपके लिप्स पे नहीं रहता है तो आपको बहुत जल्दी जल्दी रीअप्लाई करना पड़ता है. So I would say the disadvantage and advantage gets balanced on that way. But all in all, I really like this lip balm, and if you're looking for a tinted lip balm, I would definitely suggest you this one. You should definitely try it. So I'm going to mention 3 of my favorite lip balms in here, and this is one of my favorite lip balms. So ये मेरा one of the top lip balms है, and it's the Neutrogena Intense Repair Care Lip Balm. और इसकी पैकेजिंग इस ट्यूब में है. And अगर मैं बात करूँ इसके टिंट की, does not have any tint whatsoever. But अगर मैं इसकी consistency की बात करूँ तो consistency is just beautiful. It's very thick. And इसमें एक बात है कि जब मैं इसे लगाती हूँ तो ये फिर भी थोड़ा सा ऐसे smooth और sliding होता है, पर जब ये एक बार सूख जाता है उसके बाद it's like really stuck to my lips, so it's really hard to move it. So I think it's really good if you're someone who tends to eat it or someone whose lip balm just goes into their mouth for no reason. I would say I think this one is a really good one. और उसके अलावा मैं जब इसे रात में अप्लाई करके सोती हूँ, oh my god, it stays for very long and then in the morning my lips feel so smooth. I just cannot tell you. And also इसका कोई glossy effect नहीं है, ये glossy नहीं है, definitely it's more on the matte side, but I don't know why, what ingredient it is, or is it just me, but my lips feel very plumped after it. Like I could see the lines that I have between my lips, वो एकदम fill हो जाती हैं and it feels that I have such a good fuller lips. Tastes like strawberries, it smells like strawberries. This is one of the lip balms that I actually really love when I apply to lip balm. So जैसे ही मैं apply करती हूँ और थोड़ा सा भी अगर मेरे मुंह में चला जाता है, it's like little strawberries, and of course it stays long and there's a lot of product in there. Believe me, I just love it. Next lip balm ये वाला है और ये वाला भी मेरे top 3 lip balms में आता है. So this one is this Neutrogena also lip care Norwegian lip care formula, and it's also tintless, or it's without any tint, whatever you want to say. And oh my god, the moisture level here is like high, really high. I just love it so much. Like there was a time when I was like, oh, I love this one more than this one. There was a time where I was like, oh, I love this lip balm, and I was applying it every single day and I just forgot about this one. But after some time I applied this one and I was like, I think I love this one more than this one. So I don't know which one I like more, but this one is also really, really beautiful. I don't like the taste that much, but the moisturizing level and how it makes my chapped lips completely okay the next day. The moisturizing level is so high. I just don't care about taste and smell. It tastes like the cough syrup. I don't enjoy it. Some people might enjoy it. But अगर आपको ऐसी lip balm चाहिए जो आपके lips को एकदम ठीक कर दे, if you have chapped lips, if you have dry lips, go for it. It's just amazing. Next one is this Burt's Bees pomegranate variant. There was a time when I absolutely loved it, और ये मेरी शायद second या third tube है, but now I don't enjoy it at all. क्योंकि मैंने ज़्यादा लिप बाम्स डिस्कवर कर लिए हैं, सो ये मेरी लिस्ट में नहीं है. आई एम स्टिल इनटू tinted lip balms, but मैंने एक चीज़ रियलाइज की है that if I want really good lips, I don't really care about the tint. So now whatever lip balms that I love, they don't have any tint. But there was a time when I used to love only tinted lip balms, and it's over, so I cannot really show you the shade. But the shade is really beautiful. It looks really natural in your lips. But somewhat it made my lips a little bit dry if now I think about it. But overall, it's an okay-ish lip balm. It retails for I think between 400 to 500 rupees. The moisturizing level was medium to high. Would I repurchase it? Probably not. ये लिप बाम मेरे टॉप 3 में तो नहीं आता, बट डेफिनेटली इट्स ऑन नंबर 4. तो जब भी मैं अपने लिप बाम ढूंढ रही होती हूँ, वो 3 लिप बाम, और मुझे वो 3 लिप बाम नहीं दिखते हैं, सो दिस इज द लिप बाम दैट आई गो फॉर, दैट आई लुक आउट फॉर. फ्रॉम Juicy Chemistry, it's their Blood Orange and Rosehip Organic Lip Balm. I love it. It's gorgeous. The packaging is just so beautiful, and it has 5 grams of products, which is again amazing. इसकी खासियत की अगर मैं बात करूँ, what is so different about this? It's literally like butter. Actually, it's like butter, and it has a glossy effect. The fragrance is amazing. It smells very citrusy and orange, and it is really good for my lips. I just love it. The moisturizing level is high. Everything is just perfect. It works good for dry and chapped lips. I would definitely rebuy it. If your budget is like 300 to 400, you should definitely try this lip balm. It's so buttery and it gives a gloss effect at the same time for your lips. This lip balm is very controversial. And starting off, I'm gonna say straight on your face. मुझे ये वाली लिप बाम बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. I hate the tint, I hate the moisturizing level. I just don't like anything about this lip balm, and I can never see myself wearing this lip balm. And the lip balm that I'm talking about is this Blue Heaven Jelly and Butter Lip Balm, and it's in the shade Light Red. और मैंने एक शॉर्ट्स भी बनाए थे इसके लिए, and there was so mixed types of comment on this video. People were like, oh, she's saying it in sarcasm, she loves this video, she loves the lip balm. I don't like this lip balm. I am usually reaching out for lip balms which does not have tint, because the moisturizing level is more important for me than the tint. पर इस lip balm का tint इतना ज़्यादा है, because I want good moisture level, and when I put it like 2 times, it's already like red lips, and I just don't want to go out with these kind of red lips. उसके अलावा, okay, I don't like the tint. उसके अलावा मुझे इसका मॉइस्चराइजिंग लेवल लो लगता है. ये अगर ड्राई चैप लिप्स होते हैं, ये ऊपर से मेरे लिप्स को और ड्राई और चैप बना देता है, and I am not gonna use it, and I don't understand the middle jelly thing at all. और मैं बिल्कुल भी यूज़ नहीं करने वाली. और बहुत सारे लोगों ने मेरे शॉर्ट्स पे कमेंट किया, दे दो फिर मुझे, दे भाई ले लो. मैं इसे एक्चुअली यूज़ नहीं करने वाली हूँ. Believe me, I have nothing to do with Blue Heaven. I love their products, and I had high expectations from this one also, but no. And even the smell is like so plasticky. Like, it's a little bit sweet, but mostly it's like plasticky and then sweet together. I really want to throw it, but I can give it to someone else. I'm just not gonna throw it because it's just floral and like. Lip balm is the newest addition to my lip balm collection, और ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा फेमस, काफ़ी ज़्यादा वायरल लिप बाम है. It's a Laneige Lips Sleeping Mask. I think it's in the shade Berry. Yeah, it's in the shade Berry, and I have not used it a lot. As you can see, there's a lot of product in there. पर मैं बहुत कम लगाने की कोशिश करती हूँ, क्योंकि firstly it's like 500 rupees for this, and it's 8 grams of products. So it's honestly, it's not that bad. It's okay, but still it's one of the most expensive lip balms that I've ever owned. I see the hype. मैं रात में लगाती हूँ. Usually I keep it by my bedside. तो मैं रात में लगाती हूँ and then sleep. But होता क्या है, जब मैं रात में लगाती हूँ, मैं सोती ऐसे हूँ बेड पे कि पूरी लिप बाम मुझे लगता है बिस्तर पे ज़्यादा जाती है और मेरे लिप्स में कम. तो मैं यूजुअली बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ ऐसा मेजर डिफरेंस सुबह नहीं देखती हूँ, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. But I really like how is the consistency. It's the most thick lip balm that I own till now, and it's always good if the consistency is thick. That means that it stays on your lips and really lock the moisture inside your lips. Now I'm enjoying it. Moisture level is definitely high. It has no tint whatsoever, and of course I think it has the capability to treat your dry and chapped lips. And it smells really fruity and sweet, and also it tastes very sweet when you apply it. Then I have 2 lip balms from Dot & Key. And they both have amazing packaging. To be honest, I love this one. It's so cute, and this one also has a really minimalist yet really chic kind of packaging, and I was expecting too much from both the lip balms. but honestly, not a fan of both of them, so I'm not going to repurchase this. This one, first I'm going to talk about this one. This is on the okay side. If I talk about the moisturizing level, it's medium. Now it has like a scrub consistency, maybe because I live in a little cold environment, but it's nothing like a sleeping mask. इसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी है, इसका जो टेक्सचर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा थिक भी नहीं है, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके लिप्स पे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा मॉइस्चर लॉक हो रहा है. बट इन जनरल आई लाइक इट. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. आई हैव बेटर लिप बाम्स देन दिस. अगर आपको ट्राई करना है, यू वांट अ क्यूट पैकेजिंग, आई कैन सजेस्ट यू दिस, बट I actually saw videos saying that ये Laneige का dupe है, it's an amazing lip sleeping mask, that's why I bought it. I would not recommend it, honestly. It's not bad, it's usable, but I think I know much better lip balms than this one, and for cheaper. The next one, I hate it. Like, I don't like it at all, and I cannot apply it at all. अगर मुझे अपना एक भी लिप बाम नहीं दिखेगा घर में, मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं ये वाला लिप बाम लगा पाऊंगी. मुझे लगता है कि मैं घी या फिर कोई भी तेल अपने लिप्स पे लगाने को तैयार हूँ, but not this one. Yeah, I know sometimes I'm very straightforward and harsh with my statements, but that is how I really feel about this. This is also the Dot & Key Gloss Boss Lip Balm, and see, it has vitamin C, it has vitamin E, it has SPF 30, and I was actually expecting a lot. I was like, this is going to be a really good lip balm. This is the shade Cocoa Mint. The shade is nice, but the biggest problem with this is, I will tell you what the biggest problem is. It makes my lips worse. On a completely perfect lips, like my lips not dry, not chapped, nothing, और अगर ऊपर से मैं ये वाला लिप बाम लगा लूँगी, तब मेरे lips dry और chapped हो जाएंगे. Why would I ever do that to my lips? And that's the reason I'm saying कि मैं वापस से कभी भी से repurchase नहीं करने वाली हूँ और कभी भी से use भी नहीं करने वाली हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे dry chapped lips नहीं चाहिए. मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं use करने वाली हूँ. And everything I'm talking about in this video, it's my personal preference. It's my personal experience. Maybe it's good for you, you love it, you like it, it does not make your lips dry, chapped, but for me it just does not work. And this is plastic, so this last lip balm is a really good one. I love this. It's this Oriflame Tender Care Strawberry Seed Oil Lip Balm. The packaging is cute, I like it, and I have finished almost everything. I love this lip balm. It smells amazing, it smells like strawberries, tastes amazing, has an amazing glossy effect. Like when you apply it on your lips, you can feel that plumping glossy effect. And at the same time, I really like that it makes my dry and chapped lips amazingly smooth. I love the consistency. It's not on the thick side for sure, it's definitely on the lighter side, thinner side. But still, it just works amazing for my lips, and I would definitely rebuy it. It just works amazing for me. Moisturizing level is high, it has no tint and stays on your lips for very long time. Recommendation. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope that you've subscribed to my channel, and I hope you loved the video. ये सारे lip balms हैं जो currently मेरे पास हैं. In the future, if I have more lip balms, I will definitely make a new review for all of you, and I try to be as real with all of my reviews, and I will see you next time. Bye.